Welcome back to Build by Apes. Today we gonna put an itasha in this car. This is a Toyota Fortuner VRZ 2.4 liter owned by Fallen. The character is a rainbow desk from My Little Pony. And this is the itasha, the rainbow desk from My Little Pony. And we're gonna ask the owner what inspired him to make this character to be an itasha. Right. Come on, Fallen. Hello, my bro.
Hello.
Okay. So, what's make you inspired to make this character in itasha?
So first of all, it actually started when during the lockdown days of 2020, when everyone gets so bored at home and got nothing to do, and at that time I decided to My Little Pony Equestrian Girls on Netflix, and then on the first 30 minutes of me watching the movie, I'm already attracted to this character. Since then, she's one of my favorite characters.
It's waifu, right?
Yes,
it's
of course,
waifu.
it's my waifu. First,
So, what makes you want to make her to become an anime instead of the actual cartoonness?
I wanted to make it different.
All right.
Because My Little Pony is usually known as
Horse. Unicorn.
Right? But
right.
in another universe, they have this Equestrian Girls, which is the version where they teleport to another universe and then they become a human.
All right.
So I wanted to make it different from the others because usually, from what I see on all social media platforms, that sometimes itasha could be from either animes, mangas, or anything. But for this one, I wanted to make it different from the others. In Bahasa, I have this terminology where it says berani beda itu baik. Being different is good.
Okay.
So that's why I wanted to make this itasha different from the others.
All right. So thank you, Fallen.
You're welcome.
All right. I hope you like the result.
I will. I'm totally satisfied with from the renders until it's actually installed. I'm actually really impressed with the hard work of the team.
All right. Thank you. Okay. Thanks for coming and hope you enjoy the itasha.
I will, definitely.
Thank you for watching.
Karma's got a thing for me. We hold hands, make plans, keep the receipts. Karma, she's my best friend. One step closer, here's how it ends. Karma's got a thing for me. You see, you'll be digging up 6 feet. Karma's never let me down. My smile will kill when I cut you out. It's okay to hurt your voice screaming in my face. I know you gotta bark when you don't got bite. Tell me, what's that like? What's that